ದೃಢವಾದ ನಂಬಿಕೆ, ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ, ಸಮಾಜದ ಒಳಿತಿಗಾಗಿ, ಸಮಾಜದ ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ, ಸಮಾಜದ ಪ್ರಗತಿಗಾಗಿ ದುಡಿಯುವ ಮತ್ತು ನೊಂದ ಜನರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ದನಿ ಎತ್ತುವ ಮನಸ್ಸಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಜನನಾಯಕನಾಗುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಸಂಶಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಇಂದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅತಿಥಿ. ನಾನು ಪವನ್ ನಾಡಿಗ್, ನಾಡಿಗ್ಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. In my show today, I have a very special guest, a senior leader of Karnataka State, a national senior secretary of Indian National Trade Union Congress and honorary president of Indian National Trade Union Congress Karnataka, president of Indian National Bank Officers Congress, Mr. Shantakumar. Mr. Shantakumar was born on 14th November 1945, who is committed towards implementing and socio and economic programs in our society. With his hard work, dedication and determination, Mr. Shantakumar has attained lot of positions in INTUC, that is Indian National Trade Union Congress. It's my absolute pleasure to have an inspirational leader in my show today. Welcome to my show, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, to be honest, I'm very excited to know how you entered INTUC. So please introduce yourself to our audience.
Thank you very much, Mr. Pavan, for organizing this a wonderful program to know something about myself. In continuation to the question what you asked, I would like to place. My name is Shantakumar. I was born in a very Orthodox Christian family and brought up in a very methodically my parents. I am thankful to the Almighty Lord for giving this opportunity, and I am what I am today. It is because of the God, my parents, and also I cannot forget my institution where I got the basic trade union backgrounds, and I come to this level. And also I would like to place on record as to how I entered the trade union field. In fact, it was an accident, I can tell it. I was one of the very good cricketers in the state level, and having called for the nets for the state selections, I was one of the 20 people who were selected, and ultimately when the scrutinies came for the 14, though I was one of the best performers, I was deprived because I did not have any background of any selections committee support. So with that, I had the trade union background for the simple reason, in an institute where they charged before the due date an amount of 100 rupees, which I fought for that in the typing institute, and there this quality has developed. After entering the Canara Bank, I had an opportunity of joining a trade union movement in Canara Bank. It's called Canara Bank Officers Congress. Before that, we had Canara Bank Employees Congress, which was a unit of INTUC, the banking industry, and there I got the real foundation as to how I should develop. I worked in the bank for more than 35 years and retired as a senior manager of the Canara Bank at Lavelle Road. And because of this only, I entered. And when we are there, we are a non-political organization. Strictly speaking, we are not political, just trade union. But because of the communist force, which backdoor method they entered, I was forced to take a Congress support, and that is my link with Congress developed. Apart from that, our INTU is one of the frontal organizations of the Indian National Trade Union Congress. With this, I developed a trade union background. I owe my gratitude for the bank, not only for my bank and also my seniors who helped me to come to this level, because the more and more I was a spectator, the more and more I gained the leadership quality, and that is how I am before you all. Thank you.
Your first reaction on INTUC. Sir, may I know why INTUC was formed and what are its motto?
Indian National Trade Union Congress is a very old organization. In fact, during the freedom struggle, there was only one union called AITUC. During the independence period, all our top leaders were arrested when they gone behind the bars. AITUC was snatched away by the communists and formed a separate organization. With this forced the like-minded stalwarts of the Congress party to form an Indian National Trade Union Congress with the support of Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, many of the top leaders of the country, including Mahatma Gandhi, had the blessings of this. On 3rd May 1947, INTUC is formed under the first presidencies of our Iron Man, Vallabhbhai Patel. In fact, that time the union developed only for the development of the organization, because the visionary of our country, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, who had that industrialization, they wanted to develop the industries of the public sector, and he has given more trust for the labor so that the economy can improve and also unemployment problem can be solved. With this, the trade union developed from that force, and ultimately the reins were passed over to Dr. G. Sanjeev Ji. He is the president of All India Indian National Trade Union Congress, stationed in Delhi. And at the time of the membership on 2002, the membership was 38,92,011. And I'm very proud to place today, as on today, it is over 3,33 lakhs of membership, a verified membership of the government, and not only in our state, is number one in our state, across the country and across the globe. And also the president is Dr. Sanjeev Reddy is an Asia specific president from 2011 to 2015. He is one of the greatest leaders ever produced in the trade union movement. Quite recently, we celebrated a Silver Jubilee celebration on continuously ruling INTUC for 2000 till date. In fact, INTUC is a very powerful organization in the trade union movement, and now under his leadership, it is growing very rapidly across, not only across the state, across the country, and also throughout the world. INTUC has been a totally recognized organization across the globe.
Please tell me more about yourself as a National Senior Secretary of INTUC and Honorary President of INTUC Karnataka. So, can you illustrate few examples where INTUC stood with the labours?
I say, before I touch upon how I attained the post of Senior Secretary of National Intech, I would like to tell the people who are hearing this, unless others are experienced and brought from the grassroots level, no leader can be successful. If at all any iota of success is seen in my career, it is because of the many times I used to sit like an audience or learn from my seniors. I have not attained this post straight away to the president or 100 president or in charge or national senior secretary. I was an observer. Then I became a substitute. Then I became a committee member. Then I became an ordinance secretary. Then I became a secretary. Then I became a general secretary. Then I became the president. And then duly recognizing, I was national level, I was taken as a substitute special annuity, then the special annuity, then working committee member, then ordinance secretary, then secretary, and now national senior secretary. So it is stages the recognition been given by Dr. G. Sanjeev Reddy ji, and also I am indebted to my great leader of Karnataka, Sri N. M. Adyantaya, who was the president from 1996 till 2013, where I took the reins from him, and I learned a lot of things, and he has given a freedom for me to come up into this level. And also Dr. Sanjeev Reddy, in fact, I forgot to mention in my introductory about INTUC, there is one most greatest leader of Intech, a so soft and sober man who is known to each and everyone, is Padma Bhushan, Dr. G. Ramanujan ji. He is not only was a very successful president from Tamil Nadu, and also he was the governor of Orissa. So this is what I would like to tell, that is, it is grand, and a lot of opportunities have been given for me regarding the labor laws. Everything is, we have a central system, that we have a bylaw constitution of central INTUC. The state units just follow the directions of the national president. For us it is made tailor-made, because Dr. Sanjeev Reddy makes everything in the working committee, gets it approved, and regarding the unilaterally, they converted the 44 labor laws into four labor laws, which has been already vehemently opposed by the entire country trade union movements, and ultimately which has resulted in the unification of all the trade unions under one umbrella. It is called Central Trade Union, for which Dr. G. Sanjay Reddy is the chairman for the All India, each and every AITUC, CIT, all combination of the people. And in fact, this method was adopted in banking industry also. We did not have the unity. We had a united forum bank unions, all the 9 top organizations joined together. That is why the unity is the strength, and with the understanding we were able to reach. Regarding the labor laws, even now we have been struggling. See, quite recently you might have seen how the number of working hours have been changed. We have been fighting for May 1st celebration. Why we are doing? It is because of the historical reason in how the May Day was introduced, how people have struggled, how the 8 hours was introduced, and how we all come up to this level. If the government unilaterally decided to do it, when the workforce, when the Joint Action Forum of JCTU of Karnataka and also CITU directions, and also we should thankful to not only the government hearing the views of the trade union people, and also I particularly place on record the role played by our Sonia Gandhi ji, Rahul Gandhi ji, and state leadership D.K. Shivakumar Siddaramaiah to given the memorandums to see that it is not changed unilaterally like this. Anything is that we are there for the growth of the country, we are for the economic. Without the labor force, no country can grow. So you consult with us. We are for the growth of that. You consult and implement. So you should have a tripartite meeting, and in that we have to take it up. And this still is an agitating. That is why we are having another protest rally on July 3rd across the country. This is what we are doing it. Whatever the directions are received from the Central INTUC, which has been passed, and the resolution has been passed in the Central INTUC Working Committee, and that is being implemented through the state units. That is how we carry out. And as independent, we only take into the local issues of the trade union movement as a policy matter. The matter is decided at the apex level, that by Central INTUC, Dr. G. Sanjay Reddy is not only the president of INTEC and also the chairman of Central Trade Union Organizations.
It's my fortune and it's my pleasure to have you on my show, sir. Thank you so much. ಶ್ರೀಯುತ ಶಾಂತಕುಮಾರ್ ರವರ ಜೊತೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಂಚಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನಾಡಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಪವನ್ ನಾಡಿಗ್, ಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್.